everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and link Facebook to Gmail. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply start our video. For that purpose, first of all, what you will do is simply go ahead, open your Facebook app right there on your mobile phone. Once your app is open, it's basically gonna look like this in the home page of your phone. Go ahead, tap on this profile icon with three horizontal line on top right corner. Now scroll down, tap on the settings and privacy, and go ahead, tap on this settings icon. So after you do that, first of all, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this personal details option over here. So after you do that, simply go ahead, tap on this option called personal details given below accounts, and this will show you all of your details including your contact info, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this contact info, and this basically show you this email address. So once you're here in your contact information, go ahead, tap on this add new contact option, which will show you two options including add email address. What you're going to do is simply go ahead, tap on this add email address, and here you will get this option called enter email address, where you will enter a Gmail address of yours. For me, I have already entered a particular Gmail that I have over here, which is connected with my account already. So what you're going to do, enter the email address, tap on this next, enter the code, and confirm the contact. That's how you can go ahead and connect your Gmail with your Facebook. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.